What's going on, world? What's going on? AZD here, shooting this quick video. Came across some thoughts, like I was saying. I was doing some videos about some things that I need to implement, and also about the mindset shifting your mindset in order to accomplish some things. And one of the things I was discussing about was exploring out of your regular norm and being able to go outside of your usual comfort zone and being able to see other opportunities outside of your normal comfort zone. And it's crazy because after I shot that little clip or whatever like that, I say about a half hour later, I'm running some errands. I had to go to the post office, doing some things at the post office, and I ran into an older gentleman, say probably in his late 60s, maybe 70s and stuff like that, and he was in like an old school, like a 1970 something's car, old school classic, had everything done up right. And sorry, I got sidetracked real quick. Had everything done up right, and I mean, in terms of done up right, I mean like, and it looks like it's well kept and stuff like that. So I wasn't like following him, but I happened to be behind him for like a couple blocks, and then he ended up turning to the same post office area. So I usually don't go to this post office, so I was going there, saw he had some boxes and stuff like that, things that he was shipping out. So I end up like, seeing like I said, you out of your comfort zone, you out of your regular element and stuff like that, and maybe it's the opportunity. So I just like, let me say what up to him, say, well, not what up, but like, hey, good morning, son, nice car you got right there. I looks kind of nice, like a cool car, give him a big ups and stuff like that. He was like, yeah, it's my wife's actually. She let me drive once in a while after I clean it and fix it. He joking around and stuff like that. So I was like, well, at least she gets, let you drive and stuff like that. She said, we were discussing and stuff like that. I was like, So I kind of got into more of his business. Like, oh man, you got a lot of stuff you shipping out right there. What you got going on? So he said basically, like, I guess him and his wife basically run like a small from home based business where they, I guess do different products. He didn't get too much like details, but they have these different kind of products in which they create and stuff like that, and they ship out, and they're able to monetize, I guess, whatever their what is it? They call it the IP, intellectual property. And I heard about this stuff before. So basically, monetize your intellectual properties. You can create books, you can create pamphlets, you can create like a different things like documents and stuff like that for people to use for like business or a variety of things. So I was basically chopping it up with him. He was like, yeah, ever since he retired, they basically been doing it from home, and it cut back on a lot of costs. Even though he said they still have like a I guess a traditional brick and mortar business, so I guess they probably have more than one business, but their main focus right now with him being retired out of his main business is, I guess they do that, I guess not like a hobby, but it's a hobby that they end up turning into something that they'd be able to monetize and being lucrative. So I just wanted to come on here and discuss that because it was just crazy how ironic it was. I was just doing a clip on saying, get out your comfort zone, being willing to explore, because you might end up seeing other opportunities, and just building with him just off of those like few minutes, like probably was like not even no more than 5 minutes, just building with him like the different things that he do or running business. And he said one thing that he makes sure with business, especially in the past, was he has to make sure that he's consistent with certain tasks daily. So he put that kind of gem in my head right now, putting like, make sure that you're consistent with certain tasks daily, of certain things that you have to get done. Make sure you're doing it on a daily basis. You understand what I'm saying? In order to achieve your goals, it gets you one step closer towards your goals. So once again, this is AZD. Hope you got some value out of this. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this. I'll talk to you later. Peace.